Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Solution 76. Today I'm super excited because I've got all new working codes for Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest, and trust me, these codes are absolutely insane. Some of them might expire at any moment, so make sure you watch the video all the way till the end. And yes, there's a secret hidden code inside this video, so don't even think about skipping. Want to join the exclusive giveaway? Just comment your Roblox username below. If any code doesn't work, drop your username again, and I'll personally fix it for you. And of course, smash that like button, subscribe to Easy Solution 76, and hit the notification bell so you never miss brand new codes. We always upload the freshest codes for your favorite Roblox games like Blocks Fruits, Dress to Impress, and 99 Nights in the Forest, so you're always one step ahead. The developers just released a massive update, new skins, new maps, special challenges, and epic rewards, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this action. Some of today's codes will give you free diamonds, boosts, and exclusive items to level up faster and unlock premium outfits. So make sure you pay attention because a few of these codes are secret or hidden, and only sharp-eyed viewers will catch them. Picture this: exploring the dark forest, collecting diamonds, beating tough challenges, and suddenly discovering a super rare secret code no one else knows about. Sounds epic, right? So don't wait. Drop your username below and jump into the giveaway for a chance to win amazing rewards. All right, guys, grab your notepad, get ready, and let's dive right into all the latest, most powerful working codes for Roblox 99.